Hey guys, welcome back. And if you aren't aware already, recently, I think it was about a week ago, this channel hit 250 subscribers. And you know what that means. We've got to turn on a whole bunch of light bulbs and light fixtures from my collection. But before we do that, I just wanted to give a very special thanks to everybody who has been watching my videos and subscribing to the channel for helping me reach this milestone. Well, anyway, with that out of the way, I'll go ahead and quickly show you what all of these items are before we actually turn them on. So we'll start at the bottom and move our way to the top. So down at the bottom here is my DIY F6T5 strip light. Believe it or not, it actually has a trigger start ballast in it. It is advanced model LQ-106F-TP, in case you're wondering. And it is a trigger start ballast for one F4, F6, or F8 T5 lamp. There's also a 2-lamp version. It's model LQ-206F-TP. But anyway, this fixture has a Sylvania F6T5 lamp in it. It's a cool light, made in Mexico. Go ahead and put that back in there. And here's the package for it, in case you're wondering. Got this at the ReStore for $2 a while back. So there's that. Moving on is this soak line adapter. It is a Philips soak line adapter. I got it off Amazon a little over a month ago. And I think it was about $18. Last one in stock on Amazon. Very cool find. And it is I think it's a 32 watt. Yeah, it's a 32 watt. So pretty bright too. Here's the package for it. 135 watt equivalent. Very nice soak line adapter. Also interesting is the color temperature, 2600K. Very interesting color temperature. Here is a Lights of America CFL. It's a 15 watt. It's a very odd design. Made a video about this a while back. So I'll have that in a card. I'll have cards up for any of this stuff that I've already made videos of. But don't have the package for that. Got it at a thrift store a while ago. Here is an Aerotech 75 watt incandescent bulb. Not sure how well you're going to be able to see that, but it's a very long life bulb. Krypton, 20,000 hours. Beautiful bulb. I have the package for it. Oops. If we don't drop it, there is said package. Beautiful. Here is a vintage, believe it or not, GE 45 watt BR30 flood. Oh, come on, focus. There it is. It's a BR30, not an R30. And I do have the package for it. Got it at a ReStore not too long ago. Actually, it was last weekend. There's the package for it. Very cool. It's from the 90s, if you can't already tell by the packaging. I'm kind of surprised that something like this is so old, but anyway, finally, all the way at the very top here is my DIY F20 T12. I was about to say F6 T5, but it's an F20 T12 fluorescent light. It's one of those ones that is built out of a piece of wood. This is Preheat, with a ballast and starter here. So that's pretty cool. And the lamp installed is this GE. I can get it out here. F20 T12 Kitchen and Bath Ecolux SP30 Phospho. Now I'm going to try and put it in here. Just gonna have to go around the other side. Oh, come on. There we go. And I have the package for it. I got it at a really bad restore. Actually, quite a long time ago. There's the package for it. Very nice. Well, anyway, now that we've taken a look at all of these bulbs and fixtures, we'll go ahead and turn off the lights and give this setup a whirl. In 3, 2, 1. Awesome. I forgot to mention that these are both resonance starred. At least I think this one's resonance starred. I'll see on the video. I wasn't watching. But you can see all the different color temperatures there. You got your cool light here. Coolest thing here. That's 4200K. Your warm light fluorescent 3000K. 2600K / 2700K. Very cool. And I'll actually lower the exposure here so that we can see some of the fluorescence start up more easily. We'll do that again. Very nice. One more time. Nice. Actually, we'll do it one more time, but we'll give it a few seconds here so that some of these fluorescents cool down and they start a little bit slower again. Alright, I think it's been long enough. Nice. And now we'll go ahead and take a closer look at some of these. There's the Sylvania fluorescent flicker bands. That is not an electronic ballast, that is a magnetic ballast. If you haven't already looked it up by now. Silicone adapter, the old Lights of America CFL, the Aerotech incandescent with the nice M-shaped filament, the old GE 45 watt BR30, and of course this fluorescent still got some flicker bands there, and you can hear the ballast hum. Very nice. This one doesn't really hum. So a couple days ago, actually, funny story, I came to find out that the ballast in this fixture has been glued down to the bottom of the fixture. So apparently when my dad and I were building this, my dad put down a epoxy coating on the bottom of the fixture, and apparently that just wasn't really set correctly yet when we installed the ballast, so it actually ended up gluing the bottom of the ballast to the fixture. And I always just thought it was a really quiet ballast, but I guess it just hasn't had much ability to vibrate since it's been glued down literally to this fixture. So that's kind of interesting. But yeah, you're not really going to get anything out of that. It's incredibly quiet. We'll do that one more time, low exposure again. I'll put it all the way down. Actually, no, that's too far. Put it up a little bit more, and then we'll do it one more time. Very cool. Alright, well, we'll go ahead and turn this stuff off. Turn the lights back on, fix the exposure, and there you have it. The 250 subscriber lighting special. Well, be sure to subscribe to help me get to more milestones, and also feel free to leave a comment, like the video, and share the video. Well, anyway, see you in the next one.